Here we come to the elevator at the York office building in Cary, North Carolina. It's a classic Dover traditional glass elevator. Oh, we're gonna have a great motor on this. All right, and here it is. Wow, this is worth checking out. Before we go, check this out. It's got the old bumpers. 3. Epic. These are your fixtures. They're classic Dover traditional fixtures. And this elevator was installed in 1985. There's your non-ADA phone. All right, see if we can watch the indicator and listen to this epic motor. Here we go. Indicator barely works. All right, we'll go back down to one end there. Oh, there's your directional lantern. Your hanging directional lantern. I didn't know that. You can barely see up the shaft up there. I didn't realize that it's got the directional lantern on top of the door frame in the elevator car, but anyways, there it goes, and that's it. That was worth checking out.